Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, Roshain Reviews. Today we're at the Emancipation Park in New Kingston. Realizing that I haven't shown you guys the Emancipation Park. I know that not everyone gets to visit this location as they would want to, so this video is for those who haven't been to the Emancipation Park in a while. So we're on the outside, the infamous statue there, showing the features of a black man and a black woman. We have the Development Bank of Jamaica across the road. We have the Pegasus up here, which is the tallest building in Jamaica for the last 30 years, 17 floors, Jamaica Pegasus. Alright, so the Emancipation Park was built in 2002. So let's take a walk through the park. If you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe for more content. Subscribing is completely free. Remember to definitely like and share the video. Leave a comment as well. Commenting, liking and share the video will help more persons to see and help to grow the channel as well. And if you want to donate to the channel or just be a patron for the channel, in the links you'll see different ways where you can donate to the channel to help to grow the channel and to get better equipment as well, including a drone. Alright, so the park is fully decorated for the Christmas, so we have mainly red and green theme around the park. I guess I will come back when it's night time, just to see what the night decoration looks like. But let's take a walk through the park. Alright, so we also have some statues of the national heroes done by the Rotary Club. This was done in 2018. Alright guys, so this right here is the newly renovated or upgraded jogging trail. So they resurface it, put some softer material to help with jogging. I think it's over probably 600 meters. It runs around the entire park. So in the evenings, after work, a lot of persons come here to jog. And so right in the center here was a water fountain, but I think it's out of operation. And then to the left over here is the dome, where they would keep a concert, the stage for a concert. This is the same place where the Kanye West concert was held back in October. That was its stage area. And then behind the dome is the Courtyard Marriott, another hotel. So over here is the games area. I think this is called Hopscotch. Who remember this game? It's a childhood game. Alright guys, so I'll be ending the video soon. So this is the Emancipation Park. Just giving you guys a walkthrough. Especially for those who haven't been here a while. This is just a walkthrough of the Emancipation Park. It was built in 2002. And again we have the Pegasus up there, the tallest building in Jamaica. I hope they change that real soon. I know they're planning to build a hotel right in the vicinity of Pegasus. Supposed to be 34 floors. And then the entire strip will be just hotels. So you'd have the Pegasus, Courtyard Marriott, Courtly. And again, if you're new to the channel, guys, definitely subscribe so you get to see more content like this. Remember to leave a comment in terms of what you think about the Emancipation Park, what suggestions you have in terms of better use of the space, anything that is missing, and definitely like and share the video so that more persons can see as well. And remember, in the description you have different ways or you can donate to the channel just to make the channel even better. So see you on that next video.